this video, I'm going to illustrate how to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. If you notice, this matrix has a 0 in one of the cells. So we definitely want to expand down the second column here to take advantage of that. The cofactors that are associated with that column are these right here that I just circled. Okay, so let's start expanding down the second column. So the first number there is a 4. We're going to cross out the row and the column that 4 is in. The cofactor for that position is minus. So minus 4, and then what's left is what's not crossed out. That's going to be your minor, 2, 4, 3, negative 1. Okay, let's expand down to the next one. That's 1, so you're going to cross out the row and the column that 1 is in. That is in a positive position there. The cofactor is positive. So positive 1. What's left is what's not crossed out. That minor is 1, negative 3, 3, negative 1. Finally, the very last one is 0. I'm going to cross out that row and the column that 0 is in. The cofactor is negative. So we have negative 0. And what's not crossed out is this minor right here, 1, negative 3, 2, 4. All right, so now what we need to do is just figure out what these determinants are. Okay, so 2 times negative 1 minus 3 times 4. Minus 3 times 4 plus 1. 1 times negative 1 minus 3 times negative 3. So 1 times negative 1 minus 3 times negative 3. And then the last one here, since we have a 0 out front, this one is just going to be 0. That's just equal to 0. Minus 0 is the last one there. All right, so then we got negative 4. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Minus 3 times 4 is minus 12. Got plus 1. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Minus 3 times negative 3, that's plus 9. And we can ignore the minus 0 there. So you have negative 4 times negative 14 plus 1 times negative 1 plus 9 is 8. Negative 4 times negative 14 is 56. 56 plus 8 is 64. So the determinant of that 3 by 3 is 64. Let's try a different one. On this matrix, notice that the third row has got 2 zeros. So we definitely want to expand along the third row. The cofactors associated with that row are these. Okay, so let's start expanding along that third row. So the first number is 2. Cross out the column and the row that 2 is in. The cofactor is plus. Number is 2. What's not crossed out is 1, 4, 2, 6. All right, expanding along the third row. The next one's going to be 0. So cross out that row and column that 0 is in. The cofactor is negative. So you got negative 0. What's not crossed out is negative 3, 4, negative 1, and 6. Continuing the expansion along the third row, the last one is 0. Cofactor is plus, so plus 0. Oh, let's cross out the row and the column that 0 is in. What's left is negative 3, 1, negative 1, 2. Now these right here, these determinants are just going to be 0 because you're multiplying by 0. So we don't even need to figure these. So all you need to figure is just this one right here. So we have 2, going to be 1 times 6 minus 2 times 4. So that's just equal to 2 times 6 minus 8. That's just 2 times negative 2, which is negative 4. So the determinant of this 3 by 3 is negative 4. Thanks for watching.